In about 4 billion years, the night sky will transform into something breathtaking. A cosmic dance, a galactic collision, a spectacle unlike anything we can imagine. The Milky Way, our home galaxy, is on a direct collision course with the massive Andromeda Galaxy. But here's the big question. What will happen to Earth when galaxies collide? Andromeda, also known as M31, is about 2.5 million light-years away. But it's moving toward us at an incredible speed, over 100 kilometers every single second. That means billions of years from now, our galaxies will merge into one. And this isn't science fiction, it's a scientific certainty. Now, when we hear the word collision, we imagine violent crashes. But galaxies are mostly empty space. The distance between stars is so immense that it's extremely unlikely for two stars to actually collide. Instead, gravitational forces will dominate, pulling stars and solar systems into new orbits like pieces in a giant puzzle. Long before the galaxies fully merge, Andromeda will loom larger in our sky. Imagine a glowing arc of billions of stars stretching across the heavens, turning our night sky into a cosmic masterpiece. It will be one of the most extraordinary sights in the universe, if any life is still around to see it. As the galaxies interact, the gravity of passing stars could toss our solar system into a new orbit, possibly flinging us to the outer edges of the new galaxy, or even into intergalactic space. Earth itself may not be destroyed, but our position in the cosmos could be dramatically altered. After billions of years of cosmic reshaping, the Milky Way and Andromeda will finally merge into a single giant elliptical galaxy. Astronomers call it Milkdromeda, or sometimes Milkomeda. It will shine brighter, larger, and more majestic than either galaxy alone. But even if our planet survives the galactic merger, the Sun won't. Around the same time, our star will swell into a red giant, expanding and possibly swallowing Earth. So while the galaxy continues to evolve, Earth's fate is tied to the life cycle of our Sun. So when galaxies collide, Earth won't be shattered by crashing stars. Instead, our solar system may drift, our night sky will transform, and a new supergalaxy will rise. But the real question is, will anyone be here to witness this cosmic rebirth?